Okay, today's objective is to find volumes of pyramids and cones. I like volume formulas. They're a little bit easier than surface area formulas because surface areas, there's more than one kind of surface, but volume is just how much fits inside. So it's fairly straightforward. Okay? I want you guys, we're going to use what's on the reference sheet. So everybody get out your reference sheet. Does anybody need a reference sheet? If you need a reference sheet, I have some more right here. You need one, Isaac? Okay. I want you to find pyramids on there, and I want you to look at the formula. Actually, before we do that, everybody leave everything here. For a pyramid, what does it tell us the formula is? Volume of a pyramid. 1/3 area of the base times height. Don't forget that big B means area of the base, right? Okay? And for a cone, the volume is equal to what? 1/3. How does it state it on there? Does it say area of the base times height for cone? Or does it say that give the air? Because what is pi r squared, you guys? It's the area of the base, which is a circle, right? So it's really 1/3 area of the base times height. Basically, these two formulas are the same. The only difference is that the base of a cone is a circle rather than a polygonal shape, right? So we have those two. So by doing the water, filling those up with water, we found out it takes 3 cones to fill up a cylinder where they have the same base and same height, and 3 pyramids to fill up a prism that has the same base and height. So it's 1/3 the amount, okay? Let's do a couple of examples. Let's say we have a hexagonal prism. Hexagonal prism. I know. Okay, so let's say I have a hexagonal prism. I want to find the volume. What am I going to do? Huh? I got to find the base. How do I do that? I got to find the area of the base. How do I do that? What information do I need for that? Well, to find the area of the base, what shape is the base, you guys? Hexagon. So on your paper, everybody look at your reference sheet. What formula are we looking to use? What formula is that, Jessica? Yeah, everybody, where is that located on there? You guys aren't listening back there. Listen. No, that's not what we're doing. Well, we already got the right pyramid. We already wrote the formula last time. I want the area of the base formula, which is, Jessica just said it, it's area of regular polygon. It's right here on your paper. Area equals 1/2 what? Area equals 1/2 perimeter. Big P stands for perimeter times little a. What does little a stand for? Apothem. Okay, so that's this number right here, right? Let's say it was 7. Let's say the lengths of the sides were 5. Does that give me enough area, enough information to find the area? Okay. I can find it by going 1/2 the perimeter. What's the perimeter, you guys? 30. Why 30? Matt, why is the perimeter 30? No, the perimeter. Okay, there's how many sides to the polygon? 6 sides, right? And the side length is 5. 5 times 6 is 30. What's the apothem? 7. So 1/2 of 30 is 15. 15 times 7 is 105 square what? Whatever we decided to put it in. I didn't decide. I'm going to say it's inches. Each one of these are inches. Okay? What else do we need to know to find the volume of this? To find the volume of this, we need something else. We know the formula is 1/3 area of the base times what? I need the height. What do we mean by height? Do I mean going from the side up or from the middle straight down to where the apothem? Yeah, this is what I mean right here. From here to here. If I'm looking for surface area, you guys, then I want the slant height. But I want to know how tall the pyramid is. How tall the pyramid is measured from there. If you look at a pyramid right here, for instance, this one right here, my height of this pyramid is measured from the very tip top to the middle right here, right? Whereas my slant height, if I'm measuring how tall the triangles are on this, if I'm looking for surface area, I would measure the slant height from here to there. There's a difference in those two things. So make sure when you're looking at a pyramid on a piece of paper and they have the drawing, make sure you know which one you're looking for. And so let's just say the slant height is 20 inches. So then to find my volume now, I'm going to have the area of the base, which is what? Thank you. What's the area of the base, you guys? What's the area of the base again? 105. What's the height? 20. And I divide it by? Divide it by 3, which is the same thing as timesing it by 1/3. So what would we get? 700 exactly? $700 exactly? $700 cubic inches. 105 times 20 divided by 3. 105 times 20 divided by 3. Okay? That's how you find the volume of a pyramid. Okay? Okay? Any questions on that? Guys, hey, all this comes down to is learning how to use this reference sheet. And that's why I'm trying to get you guys to look up each formula on there so you know where you're familiar with where they are on here. Because when you guys get on the end of level test, all those volume and area formulas, anytime you need to find volume and area, the formula is going to be on here. Do you guys understand that? Yes, sir. You can look at this, and it's going to give you the information that you need. Okay, next problem. Cylinder. A cone. What information do we need to find the volume of a cone? We need what? We need the radius. What else? The height. What else? Okay, and pi. What else? That's all we need, right? Volume is equal to 1/3 times pi r squared times the height, right? So let's make up a radius. What is it? 4 what? Inches. Let's make up a height. Once again, I'm talking about this height, not the slant height. Not the slant height, you guys. Matt, not the slant height when we're finding volume. You want to know how tall it is. Okay? What do you guys want for the height? 770, did you say? Okay. All right. So we want to find the volume of that. So all we do is go 1/3 times pi times r squared. What's r? Times height, which is 70. Plug and chug. Put that in your calculator. Okay, 1/3 pi times r squared times 70. What do you get? 1,172, exactly. 0.9 inches, what? Volume, cubed. Don't forget, you guys, when we're talking about volume, we're talking about cubic space. We're talking about space, right? We got 3 dimensions, length, width, and height. How many cubes fit in it? So we're talking about how much space there is. Okay, those are the 2 things. Do you think you can handle that? Okay, here is your homework assignment. You guys know that on B days when I teach this class. Okay, there is the assignment. Isaac, is it your birthday today? Happy birthday. The principal wants to see you. Probably just tell you happy birthday.